Fog has really been reducing visibility across West Michigan the last few hours, but now that the sun is down and we're looking in the cold water area, you can see that low cloud cover and just the lack of visibility in the distance, indicating that fog is at least a little bit of a problem here. Temperatures for a lot of us are in the 40s, and South Haven 48 degrees, Holland 42. Both of these stations reporting some very light rain. 38 in Grand Rapids is one of the cooler spots. Some of our typical cool spots like Big Rapids are a little bit colder, but most of us are in the 40s. This light rain and mist just keeps drifting through, and that is going to continue for the next several hours, along with the chance for fog. We're waiting for our next system to get a little closer, but it is a big low pressure system back out here in the Mountain West. This is going to get closer to us tomorrow and run into some very warm and humid air, because even though it's not very warm right now, and tonight will fall down to about 38 degrees while staying cloudy with some of the fog as well, tomorrow we're going to warm up significantly. We're talking upper 50s and low 60s, with a wind from the south or the southeast at 10 to 20 miles an hour. That's very efficiently going to pull up a lot of that warmer and more humid air. And as that big low pressure system runs into that air mass that has some energy to it due to the warmth and humidity, we have the chance for a few strong storms late tomorrow night, and then transitioning all of that into the eastern side of the state as we head through early Saturday morning. This is the first time this severe weather season that we've been included in that marginal risk, which is the lowest level of severe potential. Overall, I think we are going to have pretty low chance of seeing any of these threats, with wind and hail the biggest concern. But between 4 p.m. tomorrow to roughly 8 a.m. Saturday, several waves of thunderstorms will be rolling through, and any of them at any point in time could have some of those severe threats. Scattered showers and a few thunderstorms possible as early as 2 or 3 p.m. tomorrow, and then we'll likely see another wave of rain and thunderstorms between 5 and 7 p.m. Maybe a few showers through about midnight, and then we'll see the main event with severe weather potential into early Saturday morning. This is probably going to start coming through between 4 and 5 a.m. Saturday, so rumbles of thunder definitely likely to wake you up, and there could be some hail in here as well as those gusty winds. The good thing is this moves out pretty quickly too. By 7 or 8 a.m. Saturday, it is gone. The front yet to come through until the early afternoon. That could come with the chance for a few showers as well, but our severe weather potential I think should end probably by 8 a.m. at the latest. Looking at our rain totals, they'll probably be ½ inch to an inch, with most spots kind of on that lower end, but it does just kind of depend on where you fall within those corridors of heavy rain. Some street ponding is possible in areas with poor drainage. Saturday afternoon into Sunday and Monday will be dry. Of course, we spring forward on Sunday and lose that hour of sleep. The next system to keep an eye on will be on Tuesday.